Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are okay with your family members by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, me too. Now, Shahrina Hussain will conduct the today's online mathematics class from Milestone Preparatory KG School, Class 4, Sector 7, Uttara, Dhaka. Today, I will share some of the part from Chapter 7, Multiple and Factors, page 85. Please do the math attentively and hurriedly take your all necessary things, open your math book and copy. Before starting today's regular lesson, we want to share some of the previous lesson. We already had finished problem number 1 and 2. Now, review part. I already gave you time 1 minute. I hope you already had done by yourself. So let's come match with me. Okay? Come to the board. See, list 3 common multiples for the following pairs of numbers, ordering them from the smallest, and also write the least common multiples, that means LCM. So how can we find the solution? See, number is 3 and 9. At first we find the multiples of 3. Okay, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, more. Multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, there will be more. So, whatever you already got the multiples, among these multiples, who are the common? We will take 3 common multiples at first. Common multiples of 3 and 9 are 9, 18, 27. Why we are taking only 3 multiples? Because our requirement is to take the 3 multiples, for that reason. Among the 9, 18 and 27, least common multiple is 9. So our answer is LCM is 9. I hope all of you can do this math by yourself. Come to the board. Exercise 7.4, page 85. Problem number 3. Go to the book. See, here page number 85, problem number 3. List all the factors of the following numbers. List all the factors of the following number. Following numbers. So what we will do? We will find the factors of given number. Factors another name is divisor. Okay? We already learned this in previous class. Problem number 1. Nine. At first, we will find the factors of 9. So, solution is, 9 is equal to 9 ones are 9, then we can divide 9 by 3. 3 3s are 9. If you want to do the rough, you can do. How can we do rough? We can use right side. 9, we can divide by 1, 9 ones are 9, Okay, we got 2, 9, 1 and 9, and we can divide by 3. 3 3s are 9. So we already got it here. So factors of 9 are we write the factors by the U shape. Okay, we are following up to by this way. Okay, so here is the factors 1, 3 and 9. There is the 2, 3, so we can take 1. So answer is 1, 3 and 9. All are the factors of 9. Now second math. Same thing but another number. Now I will do number 4. Problem number 4. Here number is 30. So how can we find the factors of 30? 130 is a 30. So we can do rough in right side. Supposed to be, we can divide 30 by 1. 30 ones are 30. Okay, so we can divide 30 by 2. 2 ones are 2, then 10, 2 5s are 10. Okay, then we can divide, that means 2 15s are 30. We can divide 30 by 3. 3 ones are 3, then 0, 10. That means 3 into 10. We can divide 30 by 4. Is it possible? I hope no. So we can divide 30 by 5. Yes, we can easily divide 30. 5 6 are 30. Okay, so 5 6 are 30. I hope we already got the all factors of 30. So factors of 30 are here 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, at last 30. How many factors you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So my answer is all are the factors of 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, then at last 30. Now problem number 4. See the board. List all the common factors of the following numbers and also write the highest common factors HCF for each pairs. Okay, so how can we do this math? See, at first we find the factors of given numbers, then we will find the common factor, then we will find HCF, that means highest common factor. Problem number 1. 9 and 15. Solution. Factors of 9 is equal to 1 9 is 1 and 3 3 is 9. Fifteen 1 15 is 15, 3 5 is 15. So factors of 9, are 1, 3 and 9. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. So common factors of common factors of 9 and 15 are, what the common? Yes, I got 1 and 3. That's mean 1 and 3. So my answer is, highest common factor is, HCF is highest common factor is 3. Okay, so my answer is 3. So you got the answer 3. Okay, by this way we can do the next one. Now let's come problem now 4. Here 5 and 9. 5, 9. We know 5 is a prime number, so we cannot get more than 2 factor of 5. So solution is that 5 is equal to 5 ones are 5, that's enough, and 9 ones are 9 and 3 threes are 9. So factors of 5 are 1, 5. Then factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. So who are the common? Only one. Only one factor is common, that is 1. So common factors of 5 and 9 is 1. So answer is, so highest common factor also 1. Highest common factor is also 1. That's mean our answer is HCF is 1. Okay, I hope you have understood the math clearly. My dear students, now we will do some extra math. Look on the board. Find the highest common factor. Number A, 16 and 24. At first we find the factors of these two numbers, then we will find highest common factor among them. Solution. 16 ones are 16, then 2 eights are 16, then 4 fours are 16. Is it possible for us to find the more factors of 16? I hope that's enough. Now 24. 1 24s are 24, then 2 12s are 24, then 3 8s are 24. After then 4 6 are 24. Can we find more? I hope it's enough. That's enough. Okay. So factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, then 16. By this way, okay. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, at last 24. So, who are the common? Common factors of 16 and 24 are, at first you find the common factors of both number, 1, then 2, 4, then 8. And others we cannot match, right? So our common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So among these 4 factor, 8 is the highest. So our highest common factor is 8. So answer is HCF is 8. HCF is 8. Okay, clear? Now next one. Can I rub the board? Okay. Now this is the second extra. Now I will take 3 numbers, okay? Number B, 12, 18, then 24. Solution. Please pay your attention. At first we find the factors of these 3 numbers, 12, then 18, then 24. Okay, 12 ones are 12, then 2 6 are 12, then 3 4s are 12. Enough. Now 18 ones are 18, 9 2s are 18, 3 6 are 18. Can I find more? No. Okay. Now 24, 1 24, 2 12, then 3 8, then 4 6. Okay. Hope so. I got the all factors of these 3 numbers. Okay, fine. Now, factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, at last 12. Then factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, at last 18. And factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, at last 24. So who are the common? Common factors of 12, 18, 24 are Yeah, what the common? 1, 1 and 1, okay, 2, 2, 2. Then I got 3, 3 and 3. Then 4, okay, 4 is not with the 18, but 6 is here, 6, 6 and the 6 at last. Okay, that's mean we got the common factors. Okay, common factors of 12, 18 and 24 are 1, 2, 3 and last 6. Okay, fine. So which one is the highest? Yes, you are right. Highest is 6. Highest common factor is 6. Okay, so my answer is HCF is 6. Okay, good. It is your turn to do this math by yourself. I hope you can do this easily. Let's come. Find the common factors of the following numbers and write the highest common factor HCF. Okay, now number A 35 and 49 and number B 16 and 40. Hurriedly do this. Okay, I hope you can do it by yourself easily. Hurry. Have you done? Okay, now match with me. At first, number A. How can we do this? Solution. See, 35 is equal to 35. Then how can we divide 35? Yes, you are right, 5. 5 sevens are 35. Can we divide it more? No. Up to that enough. Now let's come 49. I can rub this side for our easiness. Okay, now 49. Now 7 sevens are 49. Okay, so factors of 35 are, what the factors? 1, 5, 7 and 35. And factors of 49 are 1, 7, 49. Here is the 2 sevens, so I can take 1 7. Okay, so whose number are same? 1 then 7. Good. Okay, so common factors of 35 and 49 are 1 and 7. Among between these two numbers, 7 is the highest, right? So highest common factor is 7. Good. So my answer is HCF is 7. Okay, done. Okay, now let's come second one, number B. I can rub this, right? Okay, Now number B. Number B is, it was number B 16 and 40. So how can we do this solution? At first we find the factors of 16. 1, 16 the 16, 2 8 the 16, 4 4 the 16. Fine. Now 40. 140 is a 40, 220, then 410, yes, then 5 8. Is there more? I hope no. Okay. Now factors of 16 are 1, see 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. There is a 2, 4, so we can easily take 1, 4. 2, 4, 8, then 16. Now factors of 40 are how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then 5, 8, 10, 20, then 40. Okay. Who are the common? Yeah, you are right. 1, then 2, then 4, after then 8. Okay. We got it right. So common factors of 16 and 40 are 1, 2, 4, at last 8. So among these 4 factors, which one is the highest? Yeah, right, 8. Very good. So highest common factor is 8. So my answer is safe is 8. Wow. Okay. We got the answer. Hurriedly take your diary and collect the homework. Homework now. Homework now 32. Exercise 7.4, page now 85. Problem now 4 and do now 2 and 3. By giving the homework, my class is over. Inshallah, as soon as we will meet again in another class. Up to that, take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.